What's up, Diamond Nation? It's your girl Flawless Britny here, back with another video. So I'm just going to be starting off by saying, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that button right now so you don't miss any future content. I'm just going to start by parting horizontally across my head, and my hair is already prepped. I just blew it out with a blow dryer after washing it, and I put some oil and leave-in conditioner in there. I'm actually only going to do 5 braids total, so there's going to be 3 in the front and 2 in the back, but you could do more. It's just going to take you longer if you're doing it yourself. So anyway, I'm going to do it like a triangle type of part instead of just straight back, so it doesn't look so plain, because I'm going to braid the braids upward. I'm gonna start by putting some edge control on my edges and laying them down and stuff like that. You know, just the typical thing that I like to do for myself. You don't have to do this part. You can skip this part if you don't like to have laid down edges. I actually have a baby hair / edges tutorial on my channel. If you guys want to see it, I'll link it in the description box down below. I also wanted to throw this in there. A lot of you guys ask about my hair, and I normally answer either in the comments or the description box, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say it in a video. I'm transitioning. My hair is about like half of it is like natural, and then the ends are basically heat damage. I didn't show it on camera, but I actually put edge control on the perimeter of the first braid section. So I'm using Xpression 82 inches, I think, braiding hair, 100% Kanekalon. First, I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to take it and split it into a fourth, right? So that 1/4 is for one braid. You section off that 1/4 into 10 pieces, making it from a tiny piece up into bigger pieces, and that's how I section off my braids. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, I'm starting off taking 3 tiny pieces from the beginning of the braid, and just starting to, you know, cornrow the hair in a normal way. And then I'm going to start adding in the braiding hair. So I'm starting off with a tiny section about this big, really small, and you want it to gradually grow. So, you know, I'm just going to feed hair in, and I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to assist me with adding the hair into the braid. And I did want to add in that it's kind of, actually not kind of, it's very hard to braid your hair like this at this angle, like going up like this. If you wanted to just do it the normal way, where you kind of like curve the braid up into the ponytail or bun, if that makes sense, you could do that. I don't know why I just wanted it to go up like this, so this is how I'm doing mine. But just letting you know, if you do it like this, it's going to be harder for you. It'll be easier to just do it like the regular way. But if you're up for a challenge, then go for it, girl. But yeah, I left this part of the video in normal speed, so this is literally how fast I was doing it, just so you guys could get the technique down or whatever. So yeah, I'm using my index finger to scoop, I don't even know how to explain that, scoop, gather the hair up into the braid. I don't know, I'm not in my right mind today, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to explain the best I can. This is not easy at all. Like, I'm not even kidding. This will have your arms and shoulders and maybe even your back burning up. Like, it hurt the whole entire time. But you know, I love doing hair, so I really didn't care. it was like, it was a challenge for me trying to get it to be as neat as I wanted it to be because I'm doing it myself. But I feel like this was the best I could do. So I'm taking this Mayo Organics leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to spray it on my ends because I don't want them to be dry. Like when you braid your hair and it's really dry, it can break off, and I don't want a lot of breakage. I'm basically doing the same thing that I did on the first braid, though I have this part sped up a little bit more because I think you guys probably got the hang of it by now. That's how that's looking. This is the front. Got that part done. Just gonna wrap the remainder of these braids around so they can be out my way so we can proceed to the back finally, right? I know this video is mad long and I'm talking a lot. I feel like sometimes some of you guys, well, a lot of you guys actually keep asking me to explain more in detail and to like show more. I don't know if some of y'all said I didn't show enough, so I'm just trying to show more and explain more. But if you feel like I'm talking too much, just tell me, girl, shut up. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, anyways, let's get back to the video. I don't know what I'm talking about. I put some leave-in conditioner in the back, like once again, just to keep it from being so dry. And then I'm going to just go ahead and part down the middle, apply edge control on the perimeter of the braid sections, and then I'm going to proceed to show you guys how I feed in hair going up on the back by myself with no mirror. It really sounds more intimidating than it actually is. To be quite honest, doing the back was a lot easier than doing the front. Like, if I'm being 100% honest, I don't know why. It just felt easier on the arms and shoulders, and it just felt like easier to grip the hair and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking about it too much. I don't know, but yeah, honestly I feel like the key to getting to braiding them back is really just like the way you position your hands. And like you see what I'm doing, I'm still doing it like the same. I'm using my pointer finger to like gather up the hair into the braid, and I'm holding it with the other hand. Honestly, I think this is so cool. I'm going to practice on doing this more so that I can get better at it. Because once I get better at it, guess what? Ain't nobody going to be able to tell me nothing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil mousse foam on the braids. This helps set the braids in place. A lot of you guys asked me about that. And then I'm going to go in with holding spray and just like not really spray away, but kind of sort of spray away the foam, because like it doesn't really spray it away, it just kind of like settles in, and it really helps the braids to stay in place. Trust me, this is like a braid hack. My camera died because, like I told you, I was filming this for over an hour. The battery died, so I had to record the outro on my cell phone. So yeah, this is how the end result came out. I know the lighting isn't the best, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.